hovering. Just sitting there. Looks like it's actually above the local police station in the next town over. That's weird. It's just hovering there. Just sitting there.